Hi guys, I'm Jones Crasto here. US funds new LC-130J Ski Bird polar airlifters. The US is moving money to develop the brand new LC-130J Ski Bird or Skybird, a special plane built to land on snow and ice. Ski Bird. These aircraft are designed with ski-equipped landing gear, making them the only heavy airlifters in the world that can supply troops and scientists in the most extreme polar regions. Right now, the New York Air National Guard uses old LC-130H Ski Birds, but they are wearing out after decades of service. The mission, however, is becoming more important as the Arctic and Antarctic gain in new military and scientific value. With melting ice, global powers are racing for control, and reliable airlifters are key for survival in these remote areas. The new LC-130J will carry more cargo, fly farther, and use modern systems, ensuring the US keeps its advantage in the world's harshest climates. Do you think the ski bird will remain America's secret weapon for the frozen front lines? Join Jones Crasto on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn for elite insights into M&A, luxury assets, defense, and energy.